So let's look at some radicals we can simplify that are not square roots. Let's start off with a cube root. So the cube root of 8x to the 6th. So when we're looking at cube roots, fourth roots, fifth roots, things like that, it's helpful to kind of focus on, well, this is a cube root, so we're looking at what to the third power gets a certain number. So I'm going to jot down over to the side. 2 to the third power is 8. 3 to the third power is 27. 4 to the third power is 64. 5 to the third power, 125. We'll see if we need to write any more down. But these will probably be helpful. And look at the first one I'm picking out right away. The cube root of 8 is 2, since 2 cubed is 8. So this is going to come out, since the cube root of 8 is 2, that completely can come out. Now for the x to the 6th, let's think about this. You know, think back to where we talked about the square root of x squared, that is x. So the cube root of x cubed, that will be x. So this can break down to x cubed times x cubed. So we're not breaking down to x squareds now. Now we're breaking them down to x cubes, since we're doing a cube root. So each x cubed is going to come out as an x. This x cubed is going to come out as an x. So this is going to simplify to 2, because that came out. X came out, another x came out, so x squared, out. This completely simplifies. There's no more cube root. So notice too, with square roots, it's like we've cut the exponents in half. Here, 6. If we divide by the root of 3, that means 2 come out nicely. I'll refer back to that with some more examples. Like this one, the cube root of 54x to the 4th. Okay. This one I'm gonna break this down a little more than I did the last one. 54. So remember, these are the only numbers we are looking for. Just the numbers that are cube roots. Does 8 go into 54? No. Does 27 go into 54? Yes. 27 times 2 is 54. X to the 4th, I'm going to break this down to x cubed times x. So that 27 is going to come out as a 3, because the cube root of 27 is 3. 2 has to stay in. X cubed is going to come out as an x. This x has to stay in. So I'm going to have a 3x that came out. Cube root of, that came out, 2 stayed inside, and x stayed inside. So 3x cube root of 2x. Okay, and let's go back to this exponent real quick first. Go back to that. 4 divided by 3. Notice that is 1 and a third, 1.33. 1 and a third. So a full 1 came out. 1/3 is left over inside. 1 out of the 3. Out of the 3 is like whatever the root is. Okay, let's do one more cube root one. The cube root of 375 x to the 11th. Okay, so let's look at how we can break that down. 375, not going to be 8, not going to be 27, not going to be 64. How about 125? 125 times 3. Yep, 125 times 3. That is 375. Now how about my x to the 11th? So maybe I'll even think, okay, I've got x. How many x cubes? 3, 6, 9. If I do another x cube, I'm going to go up to 12, too high. So x squared. 3, 6, 9, 11. That's x to the 11th. So this is going to come out as a 5. This will come out as an x, out as an x, out as an x. So on the outside, I'm going to have a 5, x cubed, came out, came out, came out. Left over inside, this 3 was left inside, and the x squared was left inside. Okay. So 5x cubed, cube root of 3x squared. So stepping back a minute, let's think about the x's again. Rather than writing it out like that completely, we could have thought, well, how many multiples of 3 can I get out of 11? So it would be x to the 9th and another x squared. So if I did the cube root of that, that would be x cubed on the outside. 9 divided by 3, 2 is left over on the inside. Or, look at it a different way, just take 11 divided by 3, that's 3 2/3, 3.66 repeating, so 3 full ones come out, 2/3 left on the inside. A couple different ways of thinking about these. So let's keep that in mind as we do one last one. Let's do a fourth root. Fourth root of 32x to the 10th. So, you know, these numbers don't matter anymore. Now I care about to the 4th power. 2 to the 4th power. Another multiplied by 2, it would be 16. And I'm even going to stop there because 32 breaks down to 16 times 2. Okay, so the 16 is going to come out as a 2. The 4th root of 16 is 2. This 2 is going to stay inside. Now, how about the x's? X to the 10th. So I'll break it down to x to the 4th, x to the 4th, so there's 4, 8, and another 2. 4, 4, 8, and another 2 would be 10. So this will come out as an x. This will come out as an x. This has to stay inside. So 2 on the outside, x, so x squared on the outside. 4th root of 2x squared. And I'd be done. That x squared can't come out. You need 4 of them for them to come out. Okay. Same idea would work with 5th root, 6th root, so forth.